The four access modifiers are public, protected, default, and private. This is the order of their access level. Public can be accessed by code outside its class. Protected is accessed by code outside its package and by code inside its package. If the code is outside its package, then it must be inside of a subclass. Default can only be accessed by code in its package. Last is private, which can only be accessed by code in its own class. Let's pick back up where I left off with packages. A demo package was created under Java. Now I'm going to create one more package. Right-click Java, new package. Demo package 2. We are going to create 3 more classes. Right-click Demo Package 1, New Class. Name will be Class 2. Click the checkbox for Public Static Void Main. Right-click Demo Package 2, New Class. Name will be Class 3. Click the checkbox for Public Static Void Main. And the 4th class will be under Demo Package 2. Name will be Class 4, and click the checkbox again. In the same class, all access modifiers are visible: public, protected, default, and private. For Class 1, let's write our data variables according to their access level. As a comment, I would write public, protected, default, and private. Same class. First is public int, age equals 20. Second is protected string, birthday equals 02/2020. Third is default, which has no access modifier. Int experience equals 10. Fourth is private. Int ID equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you notice the difference in symbols for each access modifier under Class 1? Public is a green circle with a white dot. Protected looks like a yellow diamond. Default is a blue triangle, and private is a red square. Let's add some print statements to show the access for each variable inside of a main method. Know what? I have to make the variables static to print their value in the main method. Static for age, public, static for protected string, and default, experience, and private ID. Starting with age, we're going to write sysout public. Age equals the variable name age. Next is sysout protected birthday equals, and the variable name birthday. Third is default. So we write sysout default experience equals the variable name experience. Fourth is private. So we write sysout private ID equals the variable name ID. Let's run. And we see all of the values: age, birthday, experience, and ID in the same package, but different class. Private will not be visible. Let's copy the comment from class 1 and go to class 2 and paste it. Remove private and change same class to same package. Public protected default. There is no need to create an object because the variables are static. You know what? Let's go ahead and remove static from these variables. Copy the print statements and make them a comment. Go to class 2 and create an object. Class 1 obj equals new class 1 obj dot, and we see 3 of the 4 variables: age, birthday, and experience. Private ID is not available. So we go ahead and add the print statements. Add obj in front of each variable: obj.age, obj.birthday, and obj.experience. There's no need to put obj in front of ID because it's not visible. So let's remove this print statement and run. We see age, birthday, and experience. Access modifiers get interesting when dealing with a difference package. Only public and protected are visible in a different package. However, protected members are only visible if accessed through a subclass. Go to class 3, and we're going to write as a comment public protected. Different package sub class. We extend class 3. Class 3 extends class 1. Import class 1. Then create an object. Class 3 obj equals new class 3 obj dot. We only see age and birthday, which are the public and protected variables. Let's copy those print statements again, but this time from class 2 and paste them. Let's run. We see age and birthday. Only the public access modifier is visible to the entire project. That includes the same class, same package, different package inside the subclass or inside the superclass. Go to class 4. And write, I clicked the wrong button. That was a mistake. As a comment, write public entire project and extends class 1. Create an object from the superclass this time. Class 1 obj equals new class 1 obj dot. Import class 1 dot, and all we see is age. Print statement sys out. public age equals, then add the OBJ object name and access age. Let's run. We see age equals 20. This video applied to access modifiers to variables, but it works the same for methods. That's it for access modifiers. If you're interested, subscribe to my YouTube channel, then click the bell icon. The bell icon lets you know when I release a new video. You can also follow me on Twitter, connect me on LinkedIn and Facebook. I have so many more videos to show with our community regarding automation and programming. And I'll see you in the next video.
Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium Automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.